quick assist available from start menu. Click on start and type quick. This is the icon. Let's bring up the quick assist menu. You have two choices, get assist or you can give assist. Now I am going to select assist another person. It will ask you for your Microsoft account. And it's mandatory, you need to give your credential. Then it's provide a security code with 10 minutes to make the connection. Here is the security code. All you have to do, connect the other person and give them the security code, and they need to choose get assist from the menu and enter the code to connect you remotely. This is simple, and also you can send it through email also. That's all. Thank you.